Good day, Sir Rogan. This is our report that you assigned to me together with Nestor. Angles clockwise and counterclockwise. Find two smallest angles, one in a clockwise direction and the other in a counterclockwise direction from the given angle that are coterminal to the following. Draw the following angle and illustrate the two coterminal angles. Number 1, 330 degrees. Clockwise, 330 degrees minus 360 degrees is equals to negative 30 degrees. Counterclockwise, 330 degrees plus 360 degrees is equals to 690 degrees. Let's proceed to number 2. 17 pi over 6. Clockwise, 17 pi over 6 minus 2 pi is equals to 17 pi over 6 minus 12 pi over 6 is equals to negative 5 pi over 6. Counterclockwise, 17 pi over 6 plus 2 pi is equals to 17 pi over 6 plus 12 pi over 6 is equal to 29 pi over 6. Number 3, 1100 degrees. Clockwise, 360 degrees times 3 is equals to 1080 degrees minus 1100 degrees is equals to negative 20 degrees. Counterclockwise, 360 degrees times 2 is equals to 20 degrees minus 1100 degrees is equals to 380 degrees. Negative 75 degrees. Clockwise, negative 75 degrees minus 360 degrees is equals to negative 435 degrees. Counterclockwise, negative 75 degrees plus 360 degrees is equals to 285 degrees. Number 5, negative pi over 2. Clockwise, negative pi over 2 minus 2 pi is equals to negative pi over 2 minus 4 pi over 2 is equals to negative 5 pi over 2. Counterclockwise, negative pi over 2 plus 2 pi is equals to negative pi over 2 plus 4 pi over 2 is equals to 3 pi over 2. We proceed to our last number, negative 565 degrees. Clockwise, negative 565 degrees minus 360 degrees is equals to negative 925 degrees. Counterclockwise, negative 565 degrees plus 360 degrees is equals to negative 205. So we need to add 360 degrees pa. Kaya ang magiging equal niya ay 155 degrees.
Let's proceed to draw. Draw the following angles and illustrate the two coterminal angles. Number 1, negative 30 degrees. Nasa quadrant 1 siya, kaya dito po siya sa rogon. Ito. Tapos next naman, 690 degrees. Nasa quadrant 4 siya. Ito. Ngayon po, 1 degrees.
Yan, nag-give.
Number 2, negative 150 degree. Ito po yung ikot niya. Paganyan. Next, 145 degree. Ito naman yung ikot niya. Nasa quadrant to siya. Number 3, negative 20 degree. Ito po yung ikot niya. Paganyan. Nasa quadrant 1 siya. Next, 380 degree. Ang ikot naman niya dito. Ganyan hanggang dito. Nasa quadrant 3 siya. Number 4. Negative 435. Dito naman yung ikot niya. Nasa quadrant 3 siya. Next, 285 degree. Pag ito ikot niya, nasa quadrant number 2 siya.
Ang graph ng number 5 natin na counterclockwise ay nasa quadrant 3 at dito siya magsisimula. Then, sa clockwise naman natin ay nasa quadrant 3 din, negative 450 degrees at dito siya magsisimula.
Number 6. Negative 925 degree. Dito na may ikot niya. Hanggang papunta sa quadrant 3. Next. 155 degree. Pag ganito na maikot niya, papunta sa quadrant 1. And thank you Sir Rogon. Dito na po ang tatapos ng aming report ni Hannah. Thank you so much.